So today we are with Gulshan, and here he represents a person who's a very big fan of Indian breeds, a hobbyist, and they have won quite a bit of prizes here in the Indian breed showing system. So
Group 10.
okay, so what is this prize here?
Group 10 first.
Group 10 first. Acha, so
Saluki out.
Saluki hound
Yes.
for
White
Salukis.
color.
White, so that is for Salukis. So they have won that for Salukis.
Group 10.
Group 10 is for Salukis.
Yes.
Okay. So best of breed it is. Best of breed for
Best in group.
best in group. Best of BOB for Saluki.
No, best.
Best in group. Okay. And what is this?
Best of breed.
Best of breed for
Best of breed for Pashmi hound.
Pashmi hounds.
ये Pashmi hound.
For Pashmi hound. Okay.
Dolly.
Okay. And what is this for?
Best of breed for caravan hound.
For caravan hounds. Okay.
Gabbar hound.
Okay. Okay.
And this Rizzo best of breed. Rizzo best of breed. गब्बर को
गब्बर. ओके. सो आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा दे सकते कि कौन कौन से डॉग्स आपके पास है और उसके वैरायटीज टाइप्स डिटेल्स. तो पश्मी अभी अपन इससे स्टार्ट करेंगे कैरावन हाउंड के साथ.
चलेगा. ये हमारे पास कैरवान हाउंड है.
राइट.
ये गब्बर है.
राइट.
ये 2 इयर्स का है.
ओके.
आप इसे दिखा सकते हैं. ये कैरवान हाउंड है. बाहर निकलो कैसा.
और क्या एज है? हाँ निकलो ना, निकलो ना.
बोलो.
क्या एज का ये?
ये 2 इयर्स का है.
2 years का है.
शोलिश दो ना मुझे. वेरी नाइस.
So he just putting the show leash. So we will get an idea of Gabbar. So he is quite proud of. He's won some cups and titles here.
अभी इसको सीसी मिला.
CC मिला है.
सीसी मीन्स चैलेंज सर्टिफिकेट.
चैलेंज सर्टिफिकेट.
चैलेंज सर्टिफिकेट एंड रिजर्व बेस्ट ऑफ ब्रीड.
ओके.
बेस्ट इन ग्रुप.
बेस्ट इन ग्रुप.
ग्रुप 11 मध्ये राहुल श्रीरामची मादी लागली. बेस्ट इन ग्रुप. काय प्रॉब्लेम. बरोबर.
और इसका कुछ पप्स अवेलेबल है अभी? पप्स या कुछ
अभी इसका एक 8 मंथ का पपी है अवेलेबल.
है अवेलेबल. पपी अवेलेबल है. ओके. दिस इज द प्रॉमिसिंग स्पेसिमेन एज यू कैन सी.
आप पीछे से भी दिखा सकते हो इसका.
हाँ बराबर है.
जो इसका स्ट्रेंथनिंग है, जो मसल्स क्वालिटी है.
दिस इज द टिपिकल मसल्स व्हिच आर फाउंड इन ऑल दीज दिस थिंग साइट हाउंड्स एंड दे आर यूज्ड फॉर चेजिंग जनरली गेम. You can see pure muscle there. So those who know about this, you don't need to introduce these concepts. Those who are newcomers, you can have a look. ठीक है. Okay. Very good.
पश्मी देखना आपको. दूसरा
पश्मीना लेकर ऊपर.
टॉप 22 में से टॉप 8 के लिए.
ये पश्मी होने है डॉली.
अच्छा पश्मी.
ये चैंपियन है.
ओके. तो पश्मी सलूकी और कैरावन में क्या फ़र्क रहता है सच?
क्या बोलूं.
पश्मी कैरावन.
कंट्रोवर्सी हो जाएगा. आप ये मत बोलिए.
ठीक है.
ये पश्मी हाउंड है.
पश्मी हाउंड है. तो बेसिकली ईयर जैसे फ्लॉपी रहते हैं. हेयर फ्लॉपी नहीं से. ओके. दूसरा क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है टेल का?
नहीं, वो उनका यूट्यूब है ना, वो उनके खुद के पर्सनल कलेक्शन के लिए बना रहे थे.
राइट.
लेकिन वो मिस गाइड होना चाहिए आपकी. इसके वजह से
नहीं. यूट्यूब चैनल का नाम पूछ रहा है. यूट्यूब चैनल का नाम.
यस बोलो. आप ऐसा टेंशन मत ले लो.
पश्मी हाउंड है.
राइट. आप इंफॉर्मेशन देते जाओ. ओके. और इसका क्या प्राइस विन किया है?
ये चैंपियन हो चुकी है.
चैंपियन हो चुकी है.
हाँ.
ओके. कोई पप्स?
ये 7 इयर्स के है.
कोई पप्स अवेलेबल है अभी इसके?
इसके पपीज नहीं
नहीं अवेलेबल है. ओके. वेरी गुड.
रख दूँ इसे.
हाँ रख दो.
अभी आपको सलूकी दिखाएंगे।
गुलशन गुलशन रुको 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 फोटो निकाल रहे हैं।
ये आप कैसे बनाते हो? कैसे बनाते हो?
बटन दबाता हूँ, शुरू होता है वीडियो.
इसका अपलोड कैसे करते हो?
जैसा अपलोड करना हो. So this is a cute child here also. So he also wants to become a future YouTuber. You want to become a YouTuber?
Yes.
You want to cover dogs and all these events like this, pet events? Good. Who knows, in 20 years where YouTube will be. दिखाइए.
Exhibit number 37 for touring one. Exhibit number 37, 38, 39.
ये खुद
तो ये सलूकी है.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. तो सलूकी का origin.
She is a Saluki.
Yes.
Her name is Lily.
Right.
She is 8.5-9 months old.
Very good.
This is her first show,
Okay.
and she's gotten a CC, BOB, and Western group.
Okay.
First time showing.
And this was bred in India. Where?
She's bred in India.
Bred in
She's
India.
Bred in India by me. I am her breeder.
Okay.
Fourth generation bred by me.
Okay.
Sir Rajesh Naidu is her owner.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just handling her. She's
Okay.
my,
So this Saluki is imported from Arabia originally, Central Asia that side.
No, like India also had Saluki.
Salukis.
Only thing is Indians वो अपना कुछ तो अलग चाहिए.
Right.
यानी the difference between Saluki and Pashmi is the same difference between Sher and Tiger.
Okay.
Internationally it is known as Tiger, and in our language we call it Pashmi.
Okay.
Saluki does not have one country of origin.
Okay.
Like a lot of countries, India, Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Kyrgyzstan, Egypt,
Right.
like North Africa.
Right. And even Arabia also.
Old Persian
Saudi Arabia
kingdom,
also.
Yeah, the
Yes.
old Persian kingdom, all the countries you find the gene pool is there.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Right. So I heard that the origin of most of these dogs in India as such, Salukis and all, is concentrated in the northern Karnataka, southern Maharashtra, going into Andhra Pradesh. That bit
No, if you see hounds, the best concentration of hounds is in Maharashtra.
in Maharashtra. Right.
Pune district, Sangli district, Satara district, Solapur district,
Right.
Kolhapur district,
Right.
and Latur and all that area.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
That is the major concentration.
Right.
Mudo in Karnataka side you have this breed called Mudol.
Yeah, I know. I heard that.
That-
So
that
they
breed-
say that the Mudol is a cross between. It has got English blood. What is it called? English Greyhound crossed with the this thing. Means
No.
when the population fell, they crossed the Greyhound with it.
Yeah,
Infused
there
Greyhound
was
blood.
this, breed called Alaknuri that
Okay.
used to come.
Okay.
So there is a village called Alaknur near Mudol. They
Okay.
had these specific black and white color dogs.
Okay.
So they were smaller size. What they had done was smaller size Mudol hound females
Okay.
were bred with imported greyhounds, black and white color, small size only.
Alright.
Maharaja was there, Maharaja Ghorpade. they
Gorpade. Yes.
had- They did that breeding, and
Right.
then they called that breed Alaknuri. It was not considered as a pure Mudol.
Okay.
It was a cross of Mudol and thing, only black and white colors.
Okay.
That breed is gone, like extinct. Last I saw some specimens of that, pure specimens of that breed was somewhere in 2011. After that I have not seen.
Okay. So basically, it's like a small version of a Mudol with the black and white spots.
Smaller version, and ears are rose ears like greyhounds.
Right.
So it
Right.
has traits of both, like greyhounds
Right.
and Mudols.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
that breed has
But
traits of
does
both.
the, I mean, from your knowledge, experience based, does the Mudol have Greyhound blood significant?
No,
English
Indian
Greyhound?
Mudols don't.
Acha, so these what you see
No,
behind
no, these
are absolutely indigenous.
Yeah, absolutely. These
Okay,
won't.
okay.
These
So
won't.
this breed you talk about is the Alaknuri.
Alaknuri.
Alaknuri. And that was found in which district you said?
Mudol only. see,
Mudol
near
only.
Mudol only. There is a village called Alaknur.
Okay,
So
within
what
Mudol
Maharaja
district.
Ghorpade did
Right.
was all that stock.
Right.
He gave all that stock in that village.
Okay.
That you keep, because that was his hunting ground. They would hide
Correct.
in all that area.
Correct, correct,
So they gave that breed in that one village.
correct.
That's why it was known as Alaknur.
Okay, 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 okay.
Black and white.
So
color,
to-
rose
right.
ears,
Right,
small dogs, longer angulation in the hind.
Right.
Exact cross of a greyhound and the Mudol. That was Alaknur. That breed is gone. It's gone.
is gone. But now with breeders and hobbyists like you all, does it mean that we have salvaged many of these breeds out of extinction, or still lot of work has to be done?
A lot of work still is there.
Okay.
See, the thing with us is people who are in the interior, especially like the farmers and the
Right.
indigenous owners of these breeds,
Right.
there is no knowledge about breeding.
Right.
See, hunting is gone now.
Right.
First, when it was
These
when
were
the
all
dog
hunting
was
dogs.
functional,
Yes.
The thing was that you hunt a good functional dog with a functional dog.
Correct.
So they would breed Caravan, Mudol, Caravan, Saluki, everything.
Right.
As far as it's hunting good and it's producing good, they would
Right.
breed.
Right.
Now hunting is banned, and 90% of the owners, 90% of the Caravan owners today, they do not have knowledge about hunting. So it's hard to understand what body a hound should have.
Right.
And second thing is, they do not have the study of the breed standards made by the KCI also.
Right.
तो like अपने मन में जैसा है वैसे चल रहा है.
Right.
मेरे को लगता है कि अगर ऐसा किया तो मैं ऐसा ब्रीड करने वाला हूँ.
Right.
That is the thing today.
Right. So there are a lot of education
breeders
required.
need to be educated about this thing.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
There is a lot of work to be done on our
Okay.
breeds.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
see Salukis, I imported some blood.
Mhm.
My foundation has been Indian females only. I
Okay.
have always imported a male.
Okay. From if I may.
ये बुला रहे Saluki. I've been.
Okay. No problem. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure meeting speaking
Yeah,
to you.
thank you.
Yes. Definitely.
लीश पे कौन से लीश पे लेंगे इसको? गुलशन किधर गया? ये वाला.
So can I put your contact details in the description video so people can contact you? Yeah. So I'll take your contact details. So you can see they're quite busy now with the showing. So I'll put the contact details in the description and you can get in touch with them. Thank you.